oil, add your sourdough bread in, and while that's toasting, you ribbon your cucumbers. Once your bread is golden brown and crispy, you
I just got an idea. For Valentine's Day, I decided to tap into my inner Nara Smith and cook a dinner for my significant other. There's only one problem. I don't have one.
Lonely, I'm sipping 40s, cause I have nobody. Fuck all these hoes.
But you know what I can do? I can eat like her all day. So that's what I'm finna do. I have it all planned out. To cook like her, I have to make everything from scratch. But wait, if I'm gonna cook like her, I need to dress like her too. Okay, let me get dressed and let me do my makeup and... Okay, let me start with the makeup first, okay? Fuck. I look like shit. Okay, it's cool. I know what I'm doing. Nara is a really minimalist girly, so yeah. Yeah, that's what we finna do. A no makeup look. Beat it, okay, contour. And a little blush. I'm looking a little ashy. Okay, perfect. Now it's time for the hair. Can't have any hair in my face if I'm cooking. Swoop. Okay, perfect. Now, outfit time. Oh, I look Amish. Okay, it's whatever. Let's get started, okay? Okay, step number 1, be a baddie. That's right. Shout out Nara Smith. Ooh, hey. Oh, okay. Let me take off my shoes because I don't wear shoes in the house because, you know, I'm not like... Yeah, anyways. I already know how to make bread. This is me looking at my script, okay, guys? That's all I'm doing.
Did you know that you can make sandwich bread right at home? And it only takes about 6 ingredients. First ingredient is going to be the most obvious. For 2 hours.
Wait a minute.
Or if you have a proofer, you can do it at 90 degrees for an hour and a half.
Okay, it's time to tap into my inner Nara Smith. And we're going to start off by making a loaf of bread. The stuff that you're required to need is flour, sugar, salt, and yeast. Of course, some warm water. I grabbed some warm water. Wait, no, I washed my hands first because I'm not dirty. I got 1 cup of flour because the recipe actually called for 2 cups, but I only made a single serving. I was using the salt grinder, even though it's empty because I forgot to fill it, so that's me putting in salt. I put in a little too much. It was a little salty at the end. That's some yeast and some warm water. Mixa. Anyways, I almost fucked up my Mac. But I'm making this bread though, while making no bread. So if you're not subscribed, subscribe right now and like this video. Anyways, I have to set this aside for 2 hours, which I did not know prior. It's 6:43 a.m. and I ended up not eating this for breakfast, but this is me setting it aside and starting on my jam. So I got my chopping board. Then I washed my strawberries. I got like 4 or 5, you know, perfect for a single serving. And I washed them off and cut them up in small pieces. I'm not really picky on like my jam. I kind of actually like the chunky jam. So I just kept it in bigger pieces. Then I added some sugar, some lemon juice from the bottle, and yeah, I think that's it. I mixed it up, and then I put it on the stove and let it boil. Yeah, it wasn't peach season, so I didn't make peach jam, but that peach jam looked really good. Maybe next year. When's peach season anyway? I don't even know. Anyways, I left that in the fridge to cool, and I made me some toast. Yeah, the bread wasn't ready, guys, so I had to use what I had. Oh, she a baddie. Gra. Ooh. Anyways, so then I grabbed some butter and put it on my toast and put the jam on. Munch, lunchy, lunch. Make sure you say your grace, kids. So tasty. Wait, this is actually good. That was my genuine reaction. I was expecting it to be trash. Okay, so my bread has been done proofing. It's been sitting for 2 hours, so I add a little olive oil and I mix. It's a little sticky, but it's manageable, guys. I grab a bread pan, some oil, and lightly oil the pan and dust it with some flour so it doesn't stick. I put it in there, and yeah. Mind you, guys, there's some kombucha. Hi guys. Okay, I'm done with this voice. Let me clear you guys off so y'all can see. I'm looking at the recipe. Yeah, so we're gonna make SpaghettiOs. I did not get any tomatoes, so we're gonna use the can. And turn up. Got me an onion, some garlic. I'm gonna dice this up. Gotta take off the skin first. I wonder if I could eat that. I'm gonna try it later. And I'm just gonna dice this up real nice, real tasty, real good. And then slice of this up. Actually, I gotta peel off the skin and then I'm gonna slice it. And then add some olive oil to a hot pan. Kombucha break. Oh, wait. Hey, little nigga. Hit that subscribe button. Make sure you like and comment. Yeah. Vibe check. Hey. Okay. So I put my onions and garlic in my olive oil. Then I add some tomato paste and mix it till it's fragrant. Obviously, I sauteed the onions and garlic before I added the tomato paste. But anyways, then I add the tomatoes from the can. I then grab some seasoning because I like seasoning. Mind you, I did forget the salt, y'all. I'm sorry. I was in a silly, goofy mood. Yeah. So I put that stuff in there. Then I mixed it up. I crushed the tomatoes with the back of my spoon a little bit. And now it's time to get to that pasta. And I put about a cup of flour on the plate and made a well. And then I cracked 2 eggs inside. And beat that thing up. Hey, beat that thing up. Hey. Okay. And then I mixed it. I made someone's Nona cry because I mixed it really bad. I'm not going to lie to you. I did that off camera. But it eventually came together and I started making little O's. They were kind of big. I should have made them smaller, but whatever. Yeah, that looked like a donut. So then I just plopped them in there, let them boil. Or not boil, just cook. And I just let them cook. Yeah, it took like 11 minutes. Now I'm about to plate. So yum, so good. Okay, let's taste. Psych, it's too hot. And my bread was done, so I had to pull it out. I forgot to tell y'all, I put the bread in the oven. Or did I tell y'all? I don't remember. I was supposed to let it proof again. Anyways, that was actually mid. I was pretending like it was good for the camera, but it was actually mid. I needed a little bit more salt, and then it would have been banging. I guess I could have added cheese. Then I took my bread out of the pan and let it cool. Don't be making fun of my bread. Hey guys, this is the final meal of the day. Well, it's actually not the final meal of the day, it's just the last thing I cooked. Look at that bread, perfectly baked, perfectly cooled, perfect in every single way. She made a cucumber toast. I just want y'all to see that it says juicy and my ass is looking juicy. So I thought it was fitting. So she put cream cheese on it, and then she puts cucumbers and pickled onions. I didn't buy cucumbers, so I just used the pickles that was in my my fridge. And it was good, but it was sweet pickles, so it was actually kind of nasty. I only eat dill pickles. So then I just put the jam on it like it was supposed to be for breakfast, and that was bussin'. Ooh, that was actually good. That was a genuine reaction.
He fucking that shit up. Oh, God. Stop, y'all are being mean.
I hope that video was aesthetic enough for you. If you like that video, give it a like, give me a comment, and I'm gonna do this again like in a week or so with another YouTuber. I mean a content creator. You may know them. Here's a hint. Can of tomatoes. Like and subscribe.